New Orleans asked the state Supreme Court to rehear the Orleans clerk of court case.
The High Court ruled Chelsea Napoleon could serve as clerk of Orleans Parish Court. That meant the city could not appoint an interim clerk or call a special election. The city says the court's decision failed to protect the rights of Orleans Parish voters.